Are you looking for a complete and integrated solution for PP woven bag manufacturing? Welcome to Five Fingers Exports, where we provide cutting-edge machinery that enhances productivity, precision, and efficiency. We are not just suppliers, we are manufacturers, ensuring that every machine is built with advanced technology, industry-leading standards, and a focus on automation. From liner insertion and bag making to gusseting, valve bag production, and high-resolution flexo printing, we've got everything you need to take your production to the next level. Need a machine that keeps up with your growing demand? Our roll-fed liner insertion machine is India's only fastest BCS liner insertion machine, delivering unmatched speed and precision for high-volume production. Capable of producing 30 to 35 bags per minute, this machine ensures accurate liner placement, seamless stitching, and maximum efficiency every single time. We also provide perforation feature as an optional purchase. With the ability to switch between hot cutting and cold cutting in less than 2 minutes, this machine minimizes downtime and boosts productivity. Our machines offer an optional zigzag cutting feature, adding a distinctive touch to your bags and making them stand out. This innovative option enhances the uniqueness of your product, giving you a competitive edge in the market. Ever struggled with inefficient liner insertion? We've solved it. Our sheet-fed liner insertion machine is the world's first ever of its kind for PP woven bags, designed to eliminate liner wastage and improve efficiency like never before. Sheet-fed liner insertion machine, designed to handle a range of cut sheets in tubular form, including paper-laminated HDPE or PP woven sheets, PP woven laminated sheets, and BOPP laminated PP woven sheets. Why settle for separate machines when you can do it all in one? Our cement valve bag making machine is India's first machine designed to produce both gusseted and non-gusseted valve bags, offering you unparalleled flexibility with less hassle. This machine operates at an impressive 40 bags per minute. In addition, it can switch between hot and cold cutting in under 2 minutes, saving valuable time and boosting overall production efficiency. We offer perforation as an optional add-on feature in our machines, allowing you to enhance bag functionality with improved breathability, easy tearing, or controlled ventilation. By reducing the need for extra labor and lowering labor costs, it's an ideal choice for increasing your profitability. Our machine is also fully compliant with Bureau of Indian Standards, ensuring unmatched quality and reliability. Plus, the easy valve adjustment system makes setup a breeze, allowing for quick customization without the need for disassembly. Want vibrant, high-resolution printing on your PP woven bags? Our intelligent flexo printing machine delivers exactly that. It is India's first machine that prints at an impressive speed of 80 meters per minute with gusset and 100 meters per minute without gusset, making it super fast and efficient. Featuring a servo-driven 4-way adjustable drum, it ensures pinpoint accuracy, so every print is perfect. The machine is equipped with an auto-ink supply system that reduces wastage and maintains top-notch print quality throughout the process. It also supports both normal and twist gusset printing, offering extra flexibility for different bag designs. With the inclusion of an electronic position control system, alignment issues are a thing of the past. Additionally, it provides front and back matching for consistent print quality with the help of print positioning sensor, while the quick large dryer speeds up the drying process. Capable of loading big fabric rolls weighing between 300 to 500 kilograms, this machine is built for high-capacity production. As an optional feature, it also offers an automatic roll changing system, making production even more seamless and efficient. We have ready spare parts. Forget about long wait times and production delays. Our ready-to-ship spare parts ensure your business runs smoothly and efficiently at all times. We provide full after-sales support. Whether you need installation, training, or technical assistance, we're here for you every step of the way, ensuring your production is optimized and hassle-free. Contact us now to schedule your free live demo and take the first step towards boosting your business efficiency. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.